Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to log in into your Costco Citi Card account. If you need to check your balance or recent transactions, this quick guide will help you sign twice. First, open your browser. Once you click Sign On in the top right corner. Enter user ID and password linked to your Costco Anywhere Visa card account. Then click Sign On to access your dashboard. If you forgot your login details, click Forgot User ID or Password and follow the steps to reset them using your card or account information. Once login, you'll see your account summary, available credit, recent purchases, and payment due date. You can also manage your account from the Citi mobile app using the same login for quick access anywhere. And that's how to log in to your Costco Citi Card. Fast, secure, and easy to manage your card anytime. If this helped, stay tuned for more quick banking and finance tutorials.